We've driven 500 kilometres from south of Swan Hill in Victoria to the Bute demo day here today.
It was good to see the turbo and discs in action. We haven't seen them yet.
Something I've never seen before, and in that configuration.
We did a lot of research between all the different brands that are out there at the moment, and Bute stood out the most to us.
Framework certainly pretty heavy. That you've got to have because of the speed you're doing.
It seemed to be doing a really good job.
The features that we liked was the hydraulic tension and the compact fold and everything, not needing it as stored or anything.
I think it does a fantastic job, especially in that sort of stubble. And
Design with the no crossover chains and all that type of stuff was a big standout for us.